In this video, I'm going to share with you some ideas of how you can use YouTube, specifically videos that you find on YouTube that you either want to watch later yourself, or if you have your own YouTube channel, you can add these videos to a playlist on your YouTube channel for others to watch. But before I share that with you, there's some other videos I have on the channel that may be useful. I'm going to put them in the end card so you can find them. You may find those useful as well. I'm going to show it to you on a cell phone, and I'm also going to show it to you on the computer. Let's start with the cell phone. So I'm going to go to YouTube. Straight to YouTube. Now I have multiple YouTube accounts, but I'm in the YouTube account associated with Techno for Seniors. And so if I come and I go find a video, let's go find a video about, let's go find a BCI-GWS and search for that. Here's the channel BCI-GWS. It's one of my YouTube channels. If I go view the channel and I go view the videos. So here's the videos for this channel, and interesting enough, the top one is Android users. Save any video to your YouTube channel that's relevant to this conversation. I can actually view the video if I want, and I can do these same steps, or I can do these steps right here. It's really under the three dots. Click the three dots, and in this case, I got two choices. The first is the save to watch later. That option, save to watch later, is for everybody. Whether you have a YouTube channel or not, you have the ability to save to watch later. If you have a YouTube channel and you're logged into that YouTube account, look, I have saved to playlist. And when I click the save to playlist, it gives me an option of where to save it, including watch later, but I can save it to other playlist as well associated with the account that I'm logged into. I'm going to hit watch later just for the heck of it and put it there. So again, on an iPhone, those are the steps to be able to save a video, whether you save it to the watch later list, which everyone has, or you save it to a playlist, which you have if your YouTube account has a YouTube channel. Now, by the way, once I save it to watch later, I can go back to my account, Techno for Seniors, and there's watch later. And under watch later is one video. It's the Android users video that I just saved there. But also, because I'm logged in the YouTube channel, I can see the other playlist I have, and I could have saved that video to any of those playlists. Now, let me show you how to do this on desktop. Before I start sharing with you how to use playlists and use Watch Now for other people's videos, I have some other videos about this whole conversation. I'll put those in the end card so you can see them, and you may want to go watch them yourself. Okay, I'm using Google Chrome, and I'm logged into my channel called Techno for Seniors, which is this channel. And I'm going to go look for a video. Let's go look for a video about the Slate truck. This is one of the new trucks that's out there. So I have a couple choices now. I can actually go view this video if I want to. Just click on the video to view it. I'm going to not play it. Now, there's an ad in front of it, and that's fine. Now, once I'm viewing the video, again, this is desktop, and you get a little more screen available to you for desktop. I can go over here and click the save button. Now, when I click the save button, I have two choices. You always have one choice. You always have add to your watch later, which is a private playlist that no one else sees but you. I could add it to that just by clicking on it. But additionally, if you have a YouTube channel, your YouTube account has a channel, I also can see the playlist associated with my channel, and they're public, pretty much, unless you create a private playlist. Your playlists are public. So I could save this if I want to. Let me find one. Let me save it under YouTube. I'm going to save it to the playlist, the public playlist called YouTube. So I've done that now. Now I want to show you another option. I don't need to actually go into the video. I can stay right here on the search results. On the search results, I can look at this video just from here and I go, I don't have time to watch it now, but I want to save it for later. So you click the three dots and I can save it to watch later. But additionally, again, 3 dots, I can also save it to a playlist if my YouTube account has a channel with playlists. And so I can go to those playlists and view it. And I can make this video all about this Ford versus Slate. I can make it available for others to see it under my YouTube channel on the playlist, in this case called YouTube. So let me show you what we just did. So again, I got a couple different videos. I'm going to go to Watch Later on desktop. Watch Later is right here. Click on that. And there's the 2 videos that I put in my Watch Later private playlist for me to watch later. So I can click on it and watch it, and or once I'm done, click the 3 dots and remove it from Watch Later. I can click on Watch This One and start watching it. Now what's tricky when you're watching a YouTube video is I don't have the ability right here to remove it from Watch Later. I've got to go back to the playlist that I have. Here's the playlist called Watch Later. It's private. And then over here, I can click the 3 dots and I can remove from Watch Later. Now let's go back to my playlist. Now I save that under the playlist YouTube, which again is a public playlist on my channel. I can go view that playlist. And while I'm viewing that playlist, look right here. There's those 2 videos that I just saved on that playlist for me to get to, as well as anybody else who is subscribed to my channel or finds my channel and finds this YouTube playlist. Once they're in here, if I don't want them there anymore, click the 3 dots and I can remove from the YouTube playlist. I can be watching this one here. I can click the 3 dots and I can remove from the YouTube playlist. And they're gone. Hey, I'm Teddy. I'm all about helping you overcome the risks and the fears of using technology. I hope this is helpful for you.